HoonTV!
Oh, you clown.
Okay, no worries, dude. Let us know how you go. Let us know how you go. All right, bud. See ya.
Build day today, ladies and gentlemen. Cars are here, motors here, all the bits and pieces. The boys are going to get into it. So it's all hands on deck.
Yeah!
Just basically we're just ripping looms out. This car's going straight to the scrapper afterwards, so no big deal. So basically we're just taking it for all it's worth. So if we're not using it, in the bin. So paint the doors.
Just taking out some brake lights.
Two guys that are working, Halloran and Mr. Sharp.
I would think we've got probably another half an hour, just some gearbox, just pull the transmission bolts out and we're away.
Oh, I'm so double horny.
We're just going to oxy off the whole front of that. I just need to get the pipes, because you can't actually get anything unless you throw it on the hoist.
Take a photograph of my ass. Yep.
You're dirty, man. Desperate times mean desperate measures. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Oh, geez, this is good, eh? I've never seen this bugger work before.
I'm T2000. I have detailed files on 253. I program to work. Stop laughing at me. Get back to work, girly man.
Get on it. Because the engine mounts are out. If we tip it on the side now and it falls, it should fall out.
Pull it out.
Jump on here, right there. That's sharp.
I need that head start. I need a jack. You got a jacket. Fine. Or wasting the blade like on the rooftop and that. Which one?
Push it, Sammy. I'll catch it.
What the fuck is that?
You watch the engine fucking drop it.
Oh no, dude. Give me the air ratchet, cuz. This is 180 centimeters and this is 175, bro. It's the longest tool I've had in my hand.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, I reckon.
want?
Oh, look at it.
Here, here. What are these? That one there is on, and that one there is on. It's got an open-ended. No wonder we're having troubles. We could have yanked it out with the car shooting upright. How am I supposed to know?
No, now. You can't, that's why we didn't do it.
Get a stretcher! Get a stretcher! Somebody get a stretcher!
That hurt. Put some crackers.
Yeah, some point is built as well as the box.
If the wall falls down, you'll explain to the boss. Sunroof open, buddy. Boy, off the roof, man. Slam up with the Crummydore.
Okay, now back.
Right, back.
Time, man.
Hold on.
Yeah, hold on. Just go back a little bit.
Take this. I heard these spark plugs smash windows really easy. There we go.
I'll just open the bonnet.
Oh no! Dude! Give me the air ratchet, cuz!
Yeah, does that make you sexy, baby?